Welcome everyone to this video on the resource list and must-read books for UPSC CSE. I have got some messages in Instagram regarding the UPSC book list and syllabus. So this is the video for everyone. Before moving on, I have an important announcement, that is regarding the postponement of prelims. I guess some of you have already knew. So I just want to remind you once again that UPSC Civil Service Prelims 2024 exam has postponed due to the Lok Sabha elections. Actually, it has to be held on May 26, but now it is on June 16. So prepare well and all the best those who are appearing. Let us move on to the resource list here. First of all, there are certain points to remember. First one is the syllabus and the previous year questions. These two are the elements of the resource list. So remember, without these two you cannot start your resource list. So whenever you are reading any book or any topic, please keep both of these things in front of you, and they'll help you to understand what is to be read and how is to be read. And the second one is less is more. Keep your resources relevant and limited. Don't go for each and every resource that is available these days. Keep limited because ultimately your limited knowledge will suffice. You don't have to be expert each and every subject. And third one is how you should read the resource list. First, you have to go with the NCERTs, and then you have to go with the advanced books like for polity Lakshmikant, and for history Spectrum, like that. Finally, value addition materials. In the value addition materials, mostly current affairs magazines are included in the value addition material. And the last one is very important. When one resource list is decided, so stick to it no matter what. We see mostly what happen is each and every day there is a video on the resource list. We people tend to keep on changing resource lists. So please decide and finalize it and stick to only one resource list, whether it is a old NCERT or else it is a new NCERT. So now we move on to the exact resource. So must read books for UPSC CSE. It includes the subjects like Indian polity, economy, geography, art and culture, and finally history. And the first one is the Indian polity. Indian polity, go with the NCERTs from 6th to 12th class. When you brief with the NCERTs and then switch to the advanced book Indian polity by Lakshmikant. It is very important book. Geography, same. Go with the NCERTs from 6th to 12th class, and then go for the advanced book Human Geography by G.C. Leon. And economy, go with the NCERTs from class 9th to 12th, and then switch to the advanced book Economy by Sanjeev Verma and Ramesh Singh. For art and culture, go with the NCERTs from class 11th, and then go with the advanced book Indian art and culture by Nitin Singhania. And finally, the last one is history. Go with the NCERTs from 6th to 12th class, then go for the Spectrum latest version of freedom struggle. So latest version is very important for prelims and mains. History is further divided into ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient history by R.S. Sharma, medieval history by Satish Chandra, modern history by Bipin Chandra. So these are the very important and must read books for UPSC CSE.